Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
This is an official question, definitely on a difficult level. If A is greater than B, B is equal to 2A and C is equal to 2B, which of the following is equivalent to A raised to the power of B into B raised to the power of C? Now, if you look at the five options, first of all, it's five options. It's very clear that we have to express this in terms of A. Are you guys with me? Right? Because they're saying which of the following is equivalent to A raised to the power B into B raised to the power of C, and all the five options are in terms of A. So we have to obviously express this expression in terms of A. So A raised to the power of B into B raised to the power of C. How do we express everything in terms of A? How can we do that? Notice B is already expressed as 2A. So C is what? 2B, which is 2 into, very nice. Correct? So now we re-express this as A raised to the power of, very nice, 2A into B is 2A raised to the power of 4A. Correct? So this should be the starting point. A raised to the power of 2A into 2A raised to the power of 4A. Now see if you can make some progress here. See if you guys can make some progress here. Remember, we discussed it earlier. For example, MN, right? 2A, by the way, is 2 into A, right? So MN, for example, raised to the power of X is equivalent to what? Raised to the power of X into N raised to the power of X. We can distribute the exponents, correct? So now what do you do with this? What do you do with this? Notice we obviously have to combine the values of A, correct? So how do we do this? This is already A raised to the power of 2A. And then what can I do here? 2 raised to the power of 4A into A raised to the power of 4A. This is going by this property, right? I'm just distributing the exponent. Next, what do you do? Next, what do you do? Yes. So this is, I'm just realigning this, 2 raised to the power of 4A into A raised to the power of 2A into A raised to the power of 4A, correct? Now A raised 2 raised to the power 4A is nothing but 2 raised to the power of 4A, correct? Into A raised to the power of what? 2A plus 4A. Friends, are you with me? Right? So 2 raised to the power of 4 is how much? 16 raised to the power of A into A raised to the power of 6A, right? Obviously, all through this, you need to keep an eye on which of the five options does it boil down to. So what do you think? The answer is staring at you. Sorry? Absolutely. Notice this is nothing but 16 a raised to the power of 6a. Again, going by this property, right? Because if you were to like open this up, right, it would be essentially nothing but distributing the exponents, right? 16 raised to the power of a into a raised to the power of 6a. So David is the answer. As tricky as it gets, guys. Any doubt? Any doubt? So on seemingly basic concepts, GMAT can definitely, and by the way, this is an official question, it can come up with such tricky questions. So David is the answer.